Hello, hello. I'm so glad that you found this video. My name is Jenny. I am an integrative health coach with My Body Can Breathe. I have coined myself the Never Count Calories Again health coach because I don't count calories and I help folks to not count calories either. Now, if you're watching this video, it's because you are interested, something piqued your interest in regards to the 12 Days to Peace and Patience event that I will be hosting starting Sunday, December 13th, which is coming up soon. Now, if it's after December 13th, please don't worry. These days are not going to build upon themselves. You can go back and watch any of the videos from prior days and you can do this on your own. You don't have to follow along with us. So if you can start on December 13th with us, then please come one, come all. But if you are after that date, please don't worry. Again, you can join and jump in whenever you would like. So let me go ahead and explain a little bit about this event, and then you can decide for yourself if it's something that you want to do for yourself, for your health, for your happiness, for your joy. So what is 12 Days to Peace and Patience? I did this last year and it was a big hit. And of course I did this out of a need to calm down over the holiday season. We are all a bunch of stress balls about now. And this year, especially, I think the culmination of this year coming into the holiday season, everything is different. Socially, everything is different. Physically, everything is just unpredictable. And that creates a whole nother level of stress and anxiety that we don't need right now. And so what I really want to offer you and me, I'm not going to lie, I'm going to do this with you guys too, is I want to offer a way to intentionally take it down a notch or two or three or 10, right? I want to offer you guys 12 days so that you can really impact your performance. When I say performance, I don't mean your to-do list. I mean your clarity. I mean your confidence. I mean your performance as a wife, as a mother, as a friend, as a sister. I just want everybody so badly to thoroughly enjoy this holiday season despite the crazy. So what does this include? This includes 12 days, I think I've made that quite clear, of daily, simple, impactful ways that you can find your center and find your joy, rediscover your joy. And these suggestions that I'm going to give you, I said, are simple. They're easy if you have the right mindset, and we're going to talk a lot about mindset. So it does include just ways that you can move forward in your day and feel at peace and calm. Secondly, it's going to include a private Facebook group. There will be mini trainings, and when I say mini, I mean mini. I'm not going to keep you guys glued to the computer for 45 minutes. We're going to have 5-minute or less mini trainings on the daily. I'm going to deliver those at 10:45 a.m. every morning starting December 13th, except for Sundays because I have a conflict. On Sundays, I will be doing that at 1:45 p.m. Okay, so that will all be, of course, rolling out like all the specifics and details, so you don't have to remember that. But there will be a daily mini training that you can take advantage of, and they're going to be inside the Facebook group, so you can always go back and rewatch those if you missed it or if you want to watch it again. Okay, and then there, of course, because we're in a Facebook group, a private Facebook group, there's daily opportunity for support and community if you need it. If you want to go through this by yourself and you're not really a people person or you're not feeling it right now, please don't worry. You don't have, I'm not going to call anybody's name out. I'm not going to say, hey, introduce yourself. I'm not going to do that. I so respect everybody's boundaries and wishes. So if you want to do this on your own and just kind of watch from afar and absorb and then implement in your own time, please go for it. But the option is there if you want that connection and community, and if you want to have conversation, let's go for it. I'll be there. You'll also have the opportunity to converse with me personally throughout the entire event. I will be front and center. I'll be here and I'll be talking to anybody who wants to talk to me. And then lastly, I am going to throw in a fun little bonus because I can't help it. I know I'm the Never Count Calories Again health coach, but I also truly believe that nourishment comes from food. Nourishment comes from more places than just food, but food is a very, very important cornerstone of our health. And so I'm going to throw in some recipes. I know you can find recipes wherever you go these days, Google and cookbooks and well, everywhere, Alexa. But, sometimes it just helps to have a specific recipe and it just gets your mind going and you think, oh, creative, I could do blah, blah, blah. And you can spin off and maybe make something else based on the ingredients you have in your pantry or in your refrigerator, but maybe the recipe that I present to you will, set off that light bulb and so that you're eating well. Now, this isn't an eating clean thing. This isn't like a challenge to only eat vegetables or anything like that. So don't worry, we're not going to, do big changes with our diets. But I am going to incorporate food because it's important. Okay, so there will be those daily recipes that come to you as well. So I think that's about it. It's really easy. It's really low key. It's every day walking together for 12 days up until Christmas. And if you have any questions at all, you can email me at mybodycanbreathe with an E on the end at gmail.com. You're watching this video on a page on my website, so if you don't remember that email or you want to know how to spell it, you can just go to the Contact Me tab, and then you can find my email address there and email me directly that way. Just in the subject line, put 12 days questions, and then I'll be able to answer you right away. I am, as far as payment goes, I'm going to try something new. I have offered this for free in the past, and I'm offering it for free again. However, I have found that if you put a little bit of skin in the game, then you might be more apt to participate and commit. So I'm going to ask for donations this year, which means that you don't have to pay anything. I know people are having a lot of trouble. Some people are out of work. A lot of people are out of work, and I really want you to be putting your money towards your family and towards food and things like that. So please, this is not like an obligation or anything, but if you feel like what I've described is worth it and something that you can really use this Christmas season, if it's something that you feel, would be very valuable to you in your life right now, then I'm asking for donations, and you can just give, whatever you think that this is worth. I'm not even going to give you any parameters, so whatever you feel like. When you click on the button on this page that says, yay, I want to join, I want to do this, yeah, let's do this, it's going to take you to a page that describes the course again, and then you can put in your donation amount there, click join, and you will receive an email that says, yay, you're a part of it. So you'll need to give me your email address as well. And then I will also give a link in that email that will allow you to join the Facebook group, the private Facebook group at Your Body Can Breathe, again with an E on the end. Inside of Facebook. Again, that's Your Body Can Breathe in Facebook. So if for some reason the email doesn't show up or you don't know how to get to the private Facebook group, there's a link on this page to the private Facebook group, and you can join that. You don't have to do this 12-day event to join the group. You can join it no matter what. We do a lot of things on there. There's a lot of different Facebook lives and events and food and stuff like that. So you can join no matter what from the link on this page, or you can just go to Facebook and search Your Body Can Breathe, and it should pop right up. Again, my name is Jenni Guzman Bautista, and you can join that way. Okay, so I'm going to just review quickly. If you would like to walk with us over this next 12 days to peace and patience, then you need to, after this video, click on one of the buttons on the page that says that you want to join, and you will be brought to the actual cart where you can put in your donation amount. If you don't want to pay anything, just put 0. Just put 0 and it'll still take you through. After you submit and join, you will receive an email that will confirm your participation, and it will also have a link to the private Facebook group in that email. You need to join the private Facebook group in order to do this event. I am not going to send out emails every day for this particular event. It's all going to be inside the Facebook group. Okay, that's very important. So I do need your email address for that one welcome email with the private group link, and then that's it. Everything else is happening inside the Facebook group. Okay, so again, if you have questions, mybodycanbreathe with an E on the end at gmail.com. My name is Jenni, Jenni, and I love you guys. Feed your bodies well. They will reward you with life. I say that all the time, so I have to say it again. It's my close. Thank you for watching. I really do hope that you decide to gift yourself this time for peace and patience this holiday season. And so we'll see you on the inside. Bye. Mwah.